That's right.
Yeah, I know.
I said left though.
Do that quite often.
No.
I do that all the time.
I know. I'll be with you.
I gotta go right there.
Oh, right there?
Yeah.
Oh.
That's it right by the crib. I should just pay for the shit.
And
pull
tell
it
him,
out,
and park it, and then come back and get your shit later.
Where we at? Back here, right?
Yeah.
Hey, you remember that humming noise I was telling you about my shit be doing? What you said it was?
The fuel pump.
The fuel pump?
A lot of people should do that shit when it gets hot, or if they drive it for a long time and it gets hot. That's what happens to a lot of people.
That's what I was gonna say to you, fucking, it hasn't been doing that shit lately.
Yeah, probably because it hasn't been as hot. Those days that I was doing that shit was, it was hot that days.
Yeah, it was. And I think that's what I was doing. I'm gonna have to park the bike over here though.
Ooh, I just got dizzy doing that. Let's take a look at his. So, let me see. It doesn't look like his tire ever hit his exhaust. Right there. Like mine. Look at mine. Take a look at mine. Mine, you can tell. I've hit it a couple of times. I've hit it a couple of times. Probably not recently because my tire is bald. See what I did is see how underneath his, the muffler, it's a little bit of rusting, like a rusty color. What I did in mine is hit it with some high heat black. A little bit of high heat black makes a big difference. You know what I'm saying? I'm thinking about doing that tip white, silver part white, that little part right there in the back white. Add a little bit of white to her. Alright, gotta take off this helmet because it's hot as shit.